How to log into Commercial Bank of Qatar CBQ. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to CBQ. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to have the CBQ mobile app. If you don't have it, head over to your app store and then search for CBQ. After you search for it, you'll find the website right here. Simply download this app and then you can open it up. After you open CBQ up, just let it load, and after it loads, you'll get the option to log in into your account. So yeah, just accept or skip. It's completely up to you. And there, choose your language. I'll just select English and then tap on submit. Now you will see an option. First is to log in, the other is to register. If you don't have an account, you can register for your app. If you already do have an account, tap on login. I'll tap on login here. And after tapping on login, you'll just need to log in using your username and then your password. So just type in your username and then type in your password and tap on login to log in into your account. Now there is also an option to recover your username or password. So if you ever forget either one of those, just tap on it and you'll be able to recover your account and then log in using this very process. So yeah, that's basically how you log in into your CBQ, that is Commercial Bank of Qatar account. Thanks for watching guys.